Hi everyone. Today I'll talk about my project Smart Bistro. So Smart Bistro is a restaurant management system that helps improve efficiency in busy restaurants. It combines customer ordering, kitchen management, inventory tracking, and analytic into one system. The main goal is to making things easier. Customer can order food using QR code from their table, and staff can manage order and kitchen work in real time. This help reduce mistakes and make service faster. Now about non-functional requirements. Performance is important because the system must handle many orders at the same time. Reliability is also needed so the system runs smoothly, especially during busy hours. Security is important to protect customer payment data, and only authorized staff can access sensitive information. Accessibility means the system can handle more customer during peak time. Usability is also important, so the system is simple and easy to use. Finally, data integrity ensure all orders and inventory data are accurate. So overall, Bistro improve restaurant operation and customer experience. Thank you.
Functional requirements is what the system does. Functional requirements focus on what the system is actually supposed to do. The main feature is the ordering system, where customers can scan a QR code, view the menu, place orders, and pay directly from their phones. Once an order is placed, it's instantly sent to the kitchen to improve speed and reduce mistakes. Next is table and reservation management. Staff can stack table status, whether it's free, reserved, or occupied, and customers can book tables and receive confirmations. The kitchen display system is also important. It helps prioritize orders, ensure meals for the same table are prepared together, and highlights special delivery requests and even dietary requests, while real time updates for staff. Another key feature is inventory management, where stock levels are automatically updated when items are sold, which alerts for low stock and tools to track waste and costs. Finally, analytics and loyalty features provide reports on sale, peak times, and popular items, while also tracking customer preferences for loyalty programs in terms of priority. Ordering, kitchen updates, and inventory are high priority. Reservations are medium, and analytics and loyalty features are lower priority. Agile methodology and justification. We chose Agile because it offers flexibility and allows continuous improvement throughout development. Instead of building everything at once, Agile breaks the project into small parts called sprints. This means features can be tested and improved regularly. It's especially useful because requirements can change. For example, new features or workflow changes can be added without disrupting the whole project. Agile also supports early delivery, so core features like ordering can be built first and improved over time. On top of that, it encourages regular communication, helping the team stay online and quickly fix issues. Comparison with other methodologies. We considered other methods but found Agile more suitable. Waterfall is a step by step approach, but it doesn't handle changes well and testing happens too late. The V model improves testing, but still lacks flexibility and requires detailed planning up front. The Spiral model focuses on the risk management, but is too complex and time consuming for a project like this. So, overall, Agile gives the best balance of flexibility, speed, and practicality. To wrap up, The Smart Bistro system combines strong functional features like ordering, kitchen operations, and inventory tracking with non functional qualities like performance, security, and reliability. Agile was the best choice because it allows the team to adapt, deliver features early, and work more effectively together. My name is Dan Fernie Lusong, K230397.
Hi everyone, in this video I'll be briefly explain the project Gantt chart and network diagram for our Smart Resource system. The project Gantt chart shows the overall timeline and scheduling of the task across the Smart Bistro project. Our project runs for a total 11 weeks and is divided into 4 main phases: design, development, testing, and deployment. We start with design phase from weeks 1 to 3 where we focus on requirement analysis, system architecture, UI/UX design, and database planning. Next is development phase from week 4 to 7, which is the longest stage. Here we build core features like the QR code or QR ordering system, table management, kitchen display system, inventory tracking, and reservation system using agile sprints. After that, we move to testing phase in week 8 and 9, where we perform unit testing, integration testing, and user acceptance testing to ensure everything works correctly. Finally, deployment phase takes place in week 10 and 11, where system is launched after final checks in staging environment. Overall, the Gantt chart helps us clearly visualize task durations, overlaps, and project progress. The project network diagram focuses on the sequence and dependencies between tasks. Unlike the Gantt chart, which shows time, and the network diagram shows how tasks are connected and which tasks must be completed before the others can begin. For Smart Bistro, the process starts with requirement analysis, which must be completed before moving into system design. Once design is done, development tasks can begin, but certain features may run in parallel, such as front-end and back-end development. After development, all components must come together before entering the testing phase, since testing depends on completed features. Finally, once testing is successfully completed, the project moves to deployment. This diagram also helps identify the critical path, which is the sequence of tasks that directly affects the project timeline. Any delay in these tasks will delay the entire project. In summary, the Gantt chart helps manage time and scheduling, while network diagram helps understand task dependencies and workflow. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Kashan Raza and my contribution to the Smart Vista project was planning in the timeline and budget. So let me walk you through it quickly. So we broke the project into 4 phases over 11 weeks. First is design, which is from week 1 to 3, where we plan everything before building, things like the system architecture, wireframes, database, then development from week 4 to 7, which is the longest phase where we built all the core features like the QR ordering system, kitchen display, and inventory management, all done in agile sprints. After that is testing in week 8 and 9. We will run unit testing, integration testing, and user acceptance testing to make sure everything is working properly. And finally, the deployment in week 10 and 11, where we set up the staging environment and release the final product. So now for the budget, the total estimated cost for the small for this project was 15,000 across those 11 weeks. Design is allocated 3,000 for planning and design tools. Development gets the biggest share of 8,000 because it's the most like labor intensive phase. So testing is 2,500 to cover testing tools and Any bug fixes and deployment is $1,500 for server setup and hosting fees. Thank you.